Hello, in this video I'm going to walk you through downloading and setting up the OpenSolver add-in in Excel. So first we're going to start at, you're going to start from opensolver.org, and then you can click on download and install. You scroll down until you see the installation steps. In the first step there's a link to the download file. Click that, it takes you to this site where it immediately starts to download the file for you. So then you see it here, it showed up, it's starting to download it. I'm going to go ahead and click show in folder so I can see where it's going. I've got about a minute left. Alright, it looks like the download finished. Let me just go ahead and find it in my downloads. It's right here, it's called OpenSolver 2.9.0. Before I want to open or extract those files, I want to make sure that I do this important step right here. I right click on it and I click properties, and then in the general properties there's this thing at the bottom. It's a box that says unblock. You want to check that. If you don't check that, it'll cause you some issues. If you don't see that option in your properties, then with your version of Excel it probably won't be an issue for you, so you can just ignore this step. So then you're going to click OK. Then you have to extract the files in order to use them. So you're going to right click again, extract all. You can either leave it in your downloads or if you want, but I already set up a file to put it in over here in my folder for this class. So I selected that folder, and then it's just going to extract into that folder. It takes a little bit of time, not as long as before. So now we're in that folder. The one that you want to open is the Excel file. It's just called OpenSolver. So you double click that. It'll open up Excel. You want to enable macros. Now, if you go to the Data tab, you should automatically have this OpenSolver add-in right here. And then one other step you want to make sure you do, you click OpenSolver, and then in About, you click About OpenSolver. And then this box down at the bottom, you want to click Load OpenSolver when Excel starts. So this way, every time you open Excel, OpenSolver will already be there and you don't have to do anything else. So I've done all that. I'm going to close it out and make sure that it's set up correctly. I'm going to go ahead and open a file that I have already. And here it is. It is a problem that we did in lecture 2. I go to Data, and OpenSolver's right here. Now I also have Solver installed, but I'm going to show you how to run this problem with OpenSolver. So you want to click on Model, and this looks just like the box with the regular Solver add-in. You're going to choose your objective cell. This is a maximization problem. My variables are the green ones. And then I'm going to add my constraints in the boxes to the right over here. I've got it set up so that just these are my 3 constraints. They are all less than or equal to, and then that is the right hand side. I'm going to add that. I also have unconstrained variables are non-negative. That's everything. And then I'm going to save the model. And then you'll see that OpenSolver automatically formats it a little differently. So it puts your objective function in a blue and pink box, and it says max on it. and then it shows how your constraints are related, and then it also puts your optimal solution in purple. So then when you want to solve it, you just click solve, and then this is the solution. The 2, 6, that's the solution that we found in class using the graphical method, and OpenSolver did it as well. Now you can also see that I can go to Solver and it's automatically populated with the same things. So even though I set it up in OpenSolver, it worked with Solver, and it vice versa, it will work the other way too. So that's it.